Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the backup source and making the environment reliable. Check that Google Drive or iCloud shows a recent WhatsApp backup. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in power so the phone won't sleep. Make sure you have at least 50% battery and free storage space greater than the backup size. If storage is tight, delete large unused files or move media to cloud. Now start WhatsApp and tap Restore when prompted to fetch messages and media. Once the restore begins, monitor the media download queue in WhatsApp's media section. You'll see individual files progress. If downloads pause, go to App Settings and enable background data and disable battery optimization for WhatsApp so transfers aren't throttled. Also check storage permissions and grant files and media access. If multiple items stay stuck, force stop WhatsApp, restart the phone, and reopen the app to resume. These actions unblock system restrictions that commonly pause large or numerous media files during restores. Finish by scanning chats and folders to verify media integrity. Open a few photos and videos to confirm playback. If specific items are missing, request resends from the sender or tap the cloud icon to re-download. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp's cache, not data, and try the restore sequence again, or reinstall and restore from the same backup. Troubleshooting tip: if restores consistently fail, test with another Wi-Fi network and ensure your backup account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.